Energy exchange. Make some noise for these ladies right now. They join me to play the original song. So, how y'all feeling? First and foremost, how y'all feeling? You good? Oh, you know what? Yeah, we need to grab their mics. Let's get the mics real quick. So, they just said they're a little bit nervous. Do they have any reason to be nervous? No, not really, right? We about to come up here and rock, okay? So check this out. We had a 3-hour meeting, right? So within 3 hours, we had one of the little conference rooms, and we broke the ice. We met, we introduced ourselves, and we wrote and recorded an original song about clean energy in 3 hours, y'all. And that's what we're about to so, all right, Marcelo, go ahead and strum some of the chords so I can give the story behind this. Can y'all hear that? I'm gonna pull it a little closer again. So we had these chord progressions, and we got the top of the clean energy. And what I want to do is when I guide songwriting, right? There's really no rules, and I just asked them, what melodies do you feel? Let's freestyle some melodies. And then one of these ladies, they said, when I hear this, it's very different, but I hear this song that is really popular on TikTok, and the melody matches this. So I was like, okay, well let's maybe we can do a remix then, right? So the song goes like this. I'm gonna do my best to sing it, right? I think we could do it if we try. You say you're mine. That's right, all right? Y'all know that song? Anybody know that song? It's called Sophia, right? So we remixed that. First of all, make some noise for Sarah on the ukulele. It was like a big ending. There we go. So we took that and we rewrote the lyrics and made it about clean energy. And this song is called Help the Earth. Let's go.
Yo, yo.
Hey, feel free to clap.
Energy is everything. So if you want to go world level, clean, affordable energy. Go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Anderson.
Slightly more love.
February 2022. Songwriting show.
And rest. Let's go.
I think we could do it if we tried. She saves our lives. The literature we've seen is demise. Pollution should be
Sounds good, right?
feel that climate heating up. So if your energy is dirty, baby, clean it up. I'll help you clean it up, clean it up. Hey,
I think we could do it if we tried. Clean energy saves our lives. Glitter should be seen, it's the minds. Pollution should be a crime.
What we gonna do? Yeah. We gonna help the earth one more time. We wanna hear y'all say, we gonna sing it. Ladies and gentlemen, the NYC February 2022 songwriting workshop. Ladies, y'all are amazing. They're amazing, right? 3 hours. Written and recorded in 3 hours of us meeting each other. Incredible.